The first of all, I would like to respect teacher and everyone. Today, I'm reading about the giraffe. The giraffe is a wild animal. They have beautiful brown spots on their skin and are the tallest animal on earth. They eat plants, fruits, and grass. Giraffes have one head, two ears, one nose, two eyes, one long tongue, four long feet, one tail. Its legs can break your bones and other animals easily. They are also fast runners. Thank you, teacher, and thank you everyone for watching my video.